Doors do much more than provide access to your home. They play a critical role in maintaining indoor comfort. When doors are outdated, poorly fitted, or improperly installed, they can become a major source of air leaks. For homeowners in New Orleans, where comfort depends on keeping indoor conditions stable, proper door replacement can make a noticeable difference in how the home feels day to day. Why air leaks commonly occur around doors over time. Doors naturally experience wear. Frames can shift, seals can deteriorate, and gaps can form along the edges. Even small openings allow outside air to move freely in and out of the home. In New Orleans homes, these air leaks often show up as drafts near entryways or rooms that never feel quite comfortable. Proper door replacement addresses these weak points by restoring a tight, secure fit. How proper fit makes all the difference. A door's effectiveness depends heavily on how well it fits within the frame. Even a high-quality door won't perform properly if it isn't aligned or sealed correctly. Professional door replacement ensures the door sits squarely in the opening and closes evenly on all sides. For New Orleans homeowners, this precision helps block unwanted airflow and creates a stronger barrier between indoors and outdoors. Sealing gaps that cause drafts. One of the biggest benefits of proper door replacement is improved sealing. New doors are designed to close tightly against the frame, minimizing gaps where air can pass through. In New Orleans homes, this tight seal helps eliminate drafts that make entryways uncomfortable. Rooms near exterior doors feel more stable and pleasant throughout the day. Maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. Air leaks disrupt indoor temperature balance. When outside air enters through gaps, it creates hot or cool spots that affect overall comfort. Properly replaced doors help stabilize indoor temperatures by keeping outside air where it belongs. New Orleans homeowners often notice that their homes feel more consistent and comfortable once air leaks are addressed at the door. Improving comfort in high-traffic areas. Entryways are some of the most frequently used areas in a home. If doors allow drafts, these spaces can feel uncomfortable and unwelcoming. Door replacement helps New Orleans homeowners improve comfort in these high-traffic zones. Entryways, hallways, and nearby rooms become more usable and inviting without the constant presence of drafts. Supporting better air control indoors. Reducing air leaks allows homeowners to better manage indoor airflow. Instead of unwanted drafts, air movement happens intentionally through ventilation choices. In New Orleans homes, this improved control makes it easier to maintain a comfortable indoor environment without relying on temporary fixes like door blockers or curtains. Enhancing overall home comfort. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's about how a space feels. Draft-free homes are quieter, more pleasant, and easier to relax in. New Orleans homeowners often report that after replacing doors properly, their homes feel calmer and more comfortable. Small improvements at the door make a big difference throughout the home. Long-term benefits beyond immediate comfort. Proper door replacement isn't a short-term fix. A well-installed door maintains its seal and alignment over time, continuing to reduce air leaks year after year. For New Orleans homeowners, this means lasting comfort without constant adjustments or maintenance related to drafts. A practical upgrade with everyday impact. Replacing doors properly addresses one of the most common sources of indoor discomfort. By sealing gaps and improving fit, new doors help create a more comfortable living environment. For homeowners in New Orleans, proper door replacement is a practical investment in everyday comfort, reducing air leaks, improving temperature consistency, and making the home more enjoyable to live in all year long.